Hello, welcome to Pink Box. Can I interest you in 6 or 12 for a discount tonight?
Nope. We'll take, you got cinnamon rolls?
I'm sorry?
Cinnamon roll.
How many did you need?
2.
2 of them? Is that going to be out for you?
Nope, let me take a look here. What about the fudging you? Love you.
That one I do not have at the moment.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. And I only have 1 cinnamon roll at the moment.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Well, let's see here. What about the roll model?
Yeah, I have one of those.
Just one?
I have more than one.
Okay, I'll just take one of those, then I'll take a Vegas cream. That's it, 3 total. Are my terms acceptable?
I'm sorry?
I said, are my terms acceptable?
I do not have the Vegas cream.
Oh, Jesus, man! Okay, let me just think here for a minute. Now I know why people take so long here. You don't have this, you don't have that. Okay, just give me a chocolate rainbow ring. Do you have those?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, those 3 then.
I'm sorry?
That's it.
Just the chocolate rainbow ring?
And the cinnamon roll.
All right.
And the roll model.
All right.
That's it.
All right.
Thank you.
Did you have a rewards number?
Yes, I do. You ready for it?
Yeah.
It's 702-960-5534.
$8 each.
Okay. Receipt? Can I get the receipt?
There you go.
Okay, good deal. Thank you. See
Have
ya.
a good one.